Hello, my name is Albert, and today we're going to complete the challenge 3 from the Unity Learn course. I had issues and I needed some help. I've done my homework and I've decided to make a video and help you guys. To begin with, the first thing you need to do is download the project itself. So it's right here on the web page. You can find the link down below. Download it and you're gonna get this file, and all you need to do is drag it and drop it inside here. Import. Wait a bit. And you're gonna get the whole project right here. Now, next thing you want to do is select challenge and select this thing. It's gonna open the scene. And we can see our project. Pretty much sure it's not working now, but we're going to make it work. Select scripts, and the first script we're going to select is player controller. Let's see how it goes. So the first problem is the player is uncontrollable and we need to add some things, and one of the things we need is a rigid body. And I'm gonna type it in. I'm way too slow of a typer, so I'm just gonna copy paste it, Control V. So player RB equals get component rigid body. That's all you need to do here. Save. Now you can control your player. So I'm not gonna do it now. I'm just gonna add some more coding to fix all of this. Then we're gonna test it. Next one is move left X. This one is super easy. All you need to do in update, an if statement, add an exclamation mark, because our background doesn't move. Well, it does move when only you die, but we need to move it before that. So all I need to do is add an exclamation mark. Basically, this will say, if our game is not over, play the script. Save, done. Next one. Wait a bit. The next one is repeat background. Here as well, easy peasy. Instead of Y, you need to put an X, because our background moves on the X axis, not the Y axis. File save. This is done. And close this one. Wait a bit as well. Spawn manager. So the problem here, in invoke repeating, it calls out prawns object. We don't have any prawns inside our object. We need a different thing. You know what we need? We need spawn objects. Right on. Control C. Copy and paste it right here. Spawn objects. File. Save. Done. Put this away. Another thing we have is, if you select the player, this little arrow, select this, and the special effect plays way too far from the balloon. We just need to move it where the balloon is. Right here. So every time we hit the bonus, it's gonna make fireworks. This is done. What else we need to do? Let's just test it, see how it goes. Press space. Yep, works. Objects are spawning, everything working. So, okay, next thing, we need to finish the bonus round. So for the bonus round, we need to do is limit the balloon, how high it can go. We can do this in the player controller. So we need to do this by using a bool. It's easy. They want us to use the is low enough bool. So I'm just gonna paste it here. Is low enough. And we need to add a line of code in the update method. Where's the update? Right here. Down below. There you go. And if statements tells us if the object is way too high, don't go there. So the bool is false or true. And as well, here, when we press spacebar, we need to add if the object is if we press spacebar, the game is not over, and as well is high enough or low enough. Oh, low enough. So basically, we are going to limit how high it can go. So file, save. This should work. And for the next bonus, well, we're gonna combine it. We need to add a sound and as well bounciness, so the object would bounce from the ground. To do this, first thing you need to select is the plane, and we're gonna add a new tag, and the new tag is gonna be ground, like so. Perfect. Now select the ground, select the tag is ground. There you go. Now I'm gonna make a reference to it. Just down here below. Oh, first of all, we're gonna add something else. We're gonna add a reference to our bouncy sound. So basically, Control V, add this. We'll need this later. And down below, in the collision section, we need to add this thing. So basically, this line of code tells us if we are in a collision with the ground, bounce off by adding force, and as well play one shot audio. And technically, everything should work except one thing. We need to select the player. And do it here. And select our sounds. And here, we can add our boing sound. There you go, bounce sound is going to be boing. Drag and drop, that's all you need to do. Display. And object bounces. It's limited how high it can go. And everything is working perfectly fine. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, I didn't play any sound just because of the YouTube limitations. But I promise you, my sounds are working, everything's fine. And I'll see you later. Thank you, bye.